So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Shreyas here. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So I thought in this video, I'll show you how to make 8 cool patterns out of a Rubik's Cube. One like this. So if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and let's go on to the video. So guys, in today's video, the first pattern I'll be showing you is the center cube swap. So in this center cube swap pattern, you can hold the cube in any phase. So the first thing is the cube should be solved in any of the pattern you'll be making, or it all starts with a solved cube. Okay, so now hold it in any phase. I prefer white on top, so I'll hold it like that. So I'll hold the white on top. Just get the middle one step down like this. Okay, now move the middle one to the right like this, just the middle one. See, the white one which was here is misplaced till here. Okay, now get the middle one again back to its original place, the up. Okay, now see, orange is here and it should be aligned over here, the corner and the edge pieces. So just align over here, and even this one, the lower one, you just align over here. So that's it. So this is the center cube swap pattern of a Rubik's Cube. So now we'll get this back to a normal solved state of a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so now for this you do the same procedure. Get this back, down. Now white is here, put it to its own place, swap it to its own place, and then get the middle part again back to its own position. Now see, it's simple. So that's all guys. So this was the first pattern. Guys, the second pattern I'll be showing you is the checkerboard. So in this, the same way you can hold it in any faces you want, and I prefer the white on top. And in this pattern you just have to rotate all the faces 2 times. Just see, the right one I'll just rotate 2 times, the left one I'll just rotate 2 times, the back 2 times, the front 2 times, the up face 2 times, and the down face 2 times. So yeah, this is how you make a chessboard pattern. To reverse this, you have to do the same thing again. The right face 2 times, the left face 2 times, the up face 2 times, the down face 2 times, the back face 2 times, and the front face 2 times. So yeah, this was the second pattern I showed you. So the next pattern is called as the cage. For this, you hold the white pattern on top and do this algorithm: L U F F R L I U U B I U D B B L F B I R I L F inverse and R. So this is called as the cage. To reverse this pattern to a normal solved cube, we'll do R I F L I R B F I L I B B D I U I B U U L R I F F U I L I. So we get it back. So guys, the next one I'll be showing you is the cube in cube pattern. So for this, F L F U I R U F F L L U I L I B D I B I L L U. So this is a cube in cube pattern. So we'll reverse it. U I L L B D B I L U L L F F U I R I U F I L I F I. So we'll get back the solved cube. So guys, now I'll be teaching you the yin yang pattern. R L B F R L U I D I F I B I U D. So this is the yin yang pattern. So guys, now let's reverse it. D I U I B F D U L I R I F I B I L I R I. So now you get a solved cube. So guys, now I'll show you the twisted peaks Rubik's cube pattern. So for this, F B I U F U F U L B L L B I U F I L U L I B. So this pattern is called as the twisted peak pattern. So now let's reverse it. B I L U I L I F U I B L L B I L I U I F I U I F I U I B F I. Now you get a solved cube back. Now guys, I'll be showing you is the flipped tip pattern. Most of the people think it's impossible, but yeah, it's actually possible. U B D I F F D B I U I R R D F F D I R R D F F D I R R. So this is the flipped tip pattern. So now let's reverse it. R R D F F D I R R D F F D I R R U B D I F F D B I U I. So you get your solved cube back. So guys, now the last one I'll be showing you in this video is the twisted rings pattern. So for this, F D F I D D L I B I U L D R U L I F I U L U U. So this is the twisted ring pattern. So now let's reverse it. U U L I U I F L U I R I D I L I U I B L D D F D I F I. So now we get the solved cube back. So that's it guys for today. So guys, I hope this video has helped you make cool patterns on a Rubik's Cube. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe, and until next time, peace out.